Why Air Force retired RQ-4 Global Hawk. By adapting tactics, such as flying at altitudes that are less vulnerable to enemy air defenses, large drones like the Global Hawk can continue to add unique value to the battlefield. Removing Block 30 aircraft would expose the Air Force to a performance gap in an already surveillance-starved military. The Air Force plans to retire the Block 30 variant of the RQ-4 Global Hawk aircraft, most of which are less than 10 years old. Senior Air Force officials have noted that large surveillance assets will be challenged by advanced air defenses. For example, Iran shot down the Global Hawk in 2019 with a surface-to-air missile. While retirement plans are ongoing, it seems likely that military planners can keep the aircraft flying by making survivability adjustments such as adopting new countermeasures or changing tactics. Over the years, senior Air Force leaders have spoken about the importance of making certain tactical adjustments to larger drone operations, such as acting less predictably along flight paths and various course trajectories while continuing to utilize high-altitude surveillance cameras. Even U.S. Air Force Commander in Europe-Africa Air Force General Jeffrey Harijan has discussed the need for such a change. By adapting tactics, such as flying at altitudes that are less vulnerable to enemy air defenses, large drones like the Global Hawk can continue to add unique value to the battlefield. In contrast, the U-2 reconnaissance aircraft are manned and therefore require greater risk. Also, unlike manned spy planes, the Global Hawk can operate for more than 24 hours without the disruption created by crew requirements.